Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into SurveyMonkey, the go-to tool for creating surveys to gather valuable customer feedback. If you want to learn how to create a professional survey that gets results, this guide is for you. Let's get started. Sign up or log in. Begin by signing up for a free SurveyMonkey account or logging in if you already have one. Once inside, click Create Survey to start, choosing a template or starting fresh. Select a pre-made template tailored for customer feedback, or start from scratch for full customization. Templates save time, while a blank survey offers complete flexibility. Adding and customizing questions. Use the drag and drop editor to add different types of questions like multiple choice, rating scales, or open-ended text boxes. Be concise and clear to encourage accurate responses. Branding your survey. Customize the survey with your logo, brand colors, and fonts to give it a professional touch. This helps build trust with respondents. Setting up logic and options. Apply skip logic to guide respondents based on their answers and enable anonymous responses if needed for more honest feedback. Preview and test your survey. Before sharing, preview your survey to ensure it works as intended. Make adjustments to improve clarity and flow. Distribute and collect feedback. Share your survey via email, social media, or a direct link. Monitor responses in real time through the SurveyMonkey dashboard. SurveyMonkey makes it easy to understand your customers and improve your business with actionable insights. Have you used SurveyMonkey for customer feedback? Let us know in the comments. Be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.